What if I told you a $0 smartphone app trains dental students just as effectively as a VR simulator that costs tens of thousands of dollars? Not a claim, proven by peer-reviewed research. The moment a dental student touches a real patient for the first time, it's one of the most stressful experiences in clinical training. Most schools rely on mannequins and lectures, but is that enough? High-end VR haptic simulators exist, like Vertice Dental, but they're extremely expensive and require dedicated lab space. Most institutions and individual students simply can't access them. That's exactly the gap Dental EndoMaster was designed to fill. Study number 1, published in the Journal of Endodontics, one of the highest impact journals in the field. Researchers ran a randomized controlled trial with 30 fourth-year dental students, 3 groups: VR simulator group, Dental EndoMaster group, and a control group with no digital tools. Results: the VR group scored highest in fine motor skills, expected given haptic feedback. But here's the surprise: the Dental EndoMaster group matched the VR group in 2 critical areas: pre-procedural stress reduction measured by VAS scores, self-confidence and perceived preparedness before treating real patients. The control group, significantly worse in both. In other words, a free app on your phone reduced student stress just as effectively as a machine, costing tens of thousands of dollars. Study number 2, published in the International Endodontic Journal, researchers systematically reviewed 350 dental apps and selected the top 9 endodontic apps based on quality criteria. They rated each app using the UMARS scale, a validated tool for app quality assessment. Dental EndoMaster came in number 1, overall score 4.0 out of 5, aesthetics score 4.7 out of 5, the highest of all apps reviewed. The reason? It's 3D interactive tooth models, realistic simulation of clinical workflows and immediate performance feedback. Features no other app in the category offers. 2 independent peer-reviewed studies, 2 clear conclusions. Dental EndoMaster is not just a training app, it's a research-validated alternative to high-cost simulation equipment. If you're a dental student or educator, the link is in the description. Practice anytime, anywhere, on your smartphone.